Let us know about the personal net worth of Ambani's two daughters-in-law, Radhika Merchant and Shloka Mehta, and whose father is richer. Let us talk about the net worth of Mukesh Ambani's younger daughter-in-law, Radhika Merchant. Radhika is the daughter of a very rich family. Actually, Radhika's father is an Indian business magnate, Viren Merchant, who is the owner of India's one of the largest pharmaceutical companies, Encore Healthcare. Apart from this company, Radhika's father also owns many other highly profitable companies like ZYG Pharma Private Limited, Encore Natural Polymers Private Limited, and Encore Business Center Private Limited. If we talk about Viren Merchant's total property, he is the owner of rupees 1100 crores and is increasing rapidly. Not only Radhika's father, her mother is also the owner of couple of highly profitable companies. Yes, Radhika's mother, Sheila Merchant, is the managing director and co-founder of Encore Healthcare. Like Radhika's father, her mother is also the owner of several hundred crores. Now, if we talk about Radhika's own earnings and property, she now works as a marketing director at Encore Healthcare. Apart from this, Radhika has worked as a business consultant in big companies. If sources are to be believed, the value of Radhika's personal property is now rupees 110 crores. Now, let us talk about the property of Mukesh Ambani's elder daughter-in-law, Shloka Mehta. Shloka is the daughter of a super rich family in Mumbai. Her father, Russell Mehta, is one of the biggest diamond businessmen in the country and is also the managing director of Rosy Blue India. This company works in retail, media, real estate, financial services, and the diamond sector. Being the leading diamond company in the country, Rosy Blue India's valuation is about 6,000 crores today. And if we talk about Shloka's father's net worth, he owns the property of 3,300 crores. Shloka's mother is not only a famous jewelry designer, but also a rich businesswoman. Not only her parents, Shloka Mehta herself is a businesswoman and owns crores of rupees by running many businesses. Shloka works as the director in her father's company, and in last few years, she has expanded her father's business to many other countries. Apart from this, she is the co-founder of a company named Connect4. If we talk about the personal property of the Ambani's elder daughter-in-law, then she has the net worth of about rupees 300 crores. Radhika and Shloka. Who is richer? Well, both the Ambani daughter-in-law come from rich families and both of them earn crores themselves. But still, Shloka and her father are much richer than Radhika Merchant and her family.